Hello students, today let us learn how to construct a perpendicular bisector using ruler and compass. Remember that perpendicular means it will form 90-degree angle and the line will be equally divided into two equal parts is bisector. We learned this concept in last video, right? Suppose we are given a line segment AB of any length and we have to draw its perpendicular bisector. First, place the pointed side of a compass on A and draw an arc on both sides of AB, whose radius is more than half the length of AB. Then, with the same radius, place the pointed end of the compass on point B and draw another arc using compass. Let it cut the previous arc at point J and K. Join J and K with the help of ruler. It cuts the line segment AB at point C. Line JK divides line segment AB into two equal parts. Here AC and BC are equal in length. Point C is the midpoint of line segment AB. Also, line JK is perpendicular to line segment AB. Hence, line JK is perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. Students, always remember it is important to take more than half the length of the line segment in the compass. If you open the compass for less than half the distance, the arcs will not intersect. Two arcs never intersect with each other, right? We need them to intersect, only then we'll get the point from which we need to draw the perpendicular bisector. Now let us see one example. You can also try with me. Are you ready, students? Let us start. Draw a line segment PQ of length 7 cm and construct a perpendicular bisector using a ruler and compass. First, draw a line segment PQ of length 7 cm. Place the pointed end of the compass on point P. Open a compass with the radius more than half of line segment PQ. Why not one arc? Why two? The reason is we need 2 points to draw a line, right? Then, without changing the compass setting, place the pointed end of the compass on point Q and draw an arc cutting the previous arc at points R and S. Join RS passing through points R and S, which intersects the line segment PQ at point C. Line RS is the perpendicular bisector to the line segment PQ. Students, I am sure you must be confident to construct a perpendicular bisector of a given segment. As I always say, maths requires practice. There are two sums for you to practice. Your time starts now. If you want help, go back, pause the video, understand the concept and continue doing. So, that's all for this session. Students, I am sure you have found this session easy, useful and understood the concepts that we discussed today. If you have any doubts or anything for this session, do let me know in the comment. And you may like and share the same, as it may help someone. Stay tuned with UMaths.